When it comes to maintaining a comfortable home in Jacksonville, keeping your AC system running smoothly is essential. There are several common signs that can indicate your AC system needs repair. If you notice that your home is not cooling as effectively as it once did, or if there are strange noises coming from your unit, it may be time to call a HVAC contractor for help. Additionally, if you are experiencing poor air quality or increased humidity in your home, your AC system may be in need of a tune-up. Regular maintenance, such as duct cleaning service and air conditioning tune-ups, can help prevent major issues with your AC system. However, if you do find yourself in need of residential HVAC repair, it is important to contact a professional as soon as possible. Bold City Heating and Air in Jacksonville, Florida, helped me with all of my AC needs, from installation to repairs. Their expert technicians were able to quickly diagnose and fix any issues with my AC system, keeping my home cool and comfortable all year round. When it comes to maintaining a comfortable indoor environment, understanding the different types of AC repairs is essential. As a homeowner in Jacksonville, I have come to learn the importance of commercial HVAC service, central air conditioning repair, HVAC technician, AC unit replacement, and AC system repair. These services are crucial in ensuring that my AC unit functions efficiently and effectively throughout the year. One local business that has been incredibly helpful in providing these services is Bold City Heating and Air in Jacksonville, Florida. They have a team of knowledgeable HVAC technicians who are skilled in handling various types of AC repairs. From diagnosing issues with my central air conditioning system to replacing faulty AC units, Bold City Heating and Air has been my go-to for all my HVAC needs. Whether you are in need of a quick central air conditioning repair or a complete AC unit replacement, it is essential to rely on a trusted HVAC technician like the ones at Bold City Heating and Air. Their expertise and professionalism have made them a valuable resource in keeping my home cool and comfortable. When it comes to keeping your home cool and comfortable in Jacksonville, understanding how to troubleshoot common AC issues can save you time and money. Some common problems you may encounter include a malfunctioning AC compressor, the need for air conditioning replacement, or issues with your HVAC system. One way to address these issues is through DIY tips for troubleshooting AC problems. Regular HVAC maintenance and inspections can also help prevent major issues from occurring. Bold City Heating and Air in Jacksonville, Florida, was instrumental in helping me navigate through these common AC issues. Their expertise in heat pump repair, AC compressor repair, and HVAC maintenance ensured that my home stayed cool and comfortable throughout the hot Jacksonville summer. I highly recommend their services for anyone in need of professional HVAC assistance. Remember, proper maintenance and timely repairs can help extend the life of your air conditioning system and keep your home comfortable year-round. Living in Jacksonville, the weather patterns can have a significant impact on the need for AC repair services. With the hot and humid climate, our air conditioning systems work hard to keep our indoor spaces cool and comfortable. This can lead to issues such as thermostat malfunctions, AC filter replacements, and even the need for ductless mini-split installations to ensure optimal cooling efficiency. Indoor air quality service is also crucial in Jacksonville, especially with the high levels of humidity that can contribute to mold and mildew growth. Energy-efficient HVAC solutions are becoming more popular to help homeowners save on energy costs while still maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. When it comes to AC repair needs influenced by weather patterns in Jacksonville, Bold City Heating and Air has been my go-to for all my HVAC needs. From thermostat repairs to ductless mini-split installations, their team of experts has provided top-notch service to ensure my indoor air quality is at its best. Their AC filter replacement services have also helped improve the efficiency of my system, saving me money in the long run. I highly recommend Bold City Heating and Air for all your HVAC needs in Jacksonville. When exploring energy-efficient options for AC systems in Jacksonville, there are several key services to consider. Refrigeration service, air duct repair, AC troubleshooting, HVAC system upgrade, and ventilation service all play a crucial role in ensuring your AC system is running smoothly and efficiently. One local business that I turn to for help with all of these services is Bold City Heating and Air in Jacksonville, Florida. Their team of experts provided top-notch refrigeration service to keep my AC system in optimal condition. Additionally, they handled air duct repair and ventilation service to ensure proper airflow throughout my home. When I encountered AC troubleshooting issues, Bold City Heating and Air was quick to diagnose the problem and offer effective solutions. Their expertise in HVAC system upgrades also helped me explore energy-efficient options to save on my energy bills while keeping my home comfortable. Overall, Bold City Heating and Air in Jacksonville, Florida proved to be a reliable and knowledgeable partner in optimizing my AC system for efficiency and performance. Proper insulation plays a crucial role in the efficiency and longevity of your AC unit. When your home is well insulated, it helps to maintain a consistent temperature, reducing the strain on your AC system. This can lead to lower energy bills and fewer repairs in the long run. Additionally, proper insulation can help to regulate humidity levels in your home, which can impact the overall comfort and air quality. I recently had the opportunity to work with Bold City Heating and Air in Jacksonville, Florida, and they provided excellent service in ensuring that my home was properly insulated. They offered an AC tune-up service to optimize the performance of my unit, as well as humidifier installation to help regulate humidity levels. In addition, they also provided dehumidifier repair and air purifier installation to ensure that the air quality in my home was top-notch. Their expertise in commercial refrigeration service was evident in the thoroughness of their work, and I highly recommend their services for all your AC repair needs in Jacksonville. When it comes to keeping your home comfortable, having a reliable HVAC system is essential. Whether you need HVAC repair parts, 24/7 emergency AC service, geothermal HVAC system installation, smart home HVAC solutions, or UV air purifier installation, it's important to have access to professional AC repair services in Jacksonville. One of the benefits of professional AC repair services is the expertise and knowledge that technicians bring to the table. They can diagnose issues quickly and accurately, saving you time and money in the long run. Additionally, professional technicians have access to high-quality HVAC repair parts, ensuring that your system is repaired properly the first time. Bold City Heating and Air in Jacksonville, Florida, offers a range of services to meet your HVAC needs. From 24/7 emergency AC service to geothermal HVAC system installation, their team of experts can help with all of your HVAC needs. With their smart home HVAC solutions and UV air purifier installation services, you can trust that Bold City Heating and Air will keep your home comfortable year-round. When considering the environmental impact of AC repair practices in Jacksonville, it is important to take into account factors such as energy efficiency, waste management, and the use of eco-friendly materials. Zoned HVAC system installation can help reduce energy consumption by allowing for targeted heating and cooling in specific areas of a building. AC ductwork repair is essential for preventing leaks and maximizing the efficiency of the system. Emergency heating repair services are crucial for minimizing downtime and ensuring that the system is running at optimal levels. Regular HVAC system cleaning is necessary for maintaining indoor air quality and preventing the buildup of pollutants. Additionally, HVAC financing options can help make environmentally friendly upgrades more accessible to homeowners. Bold City Heating and Air in Jacksonville, Florida provided me with expert assistance in zoned HVAC system installation, AC ductwork repair, emergency heating repair, HVAC system cleaning, and HVAC financing options. Their commitment to environmentally conscious practices has made a positive impact on the community and the environment.